Hi YouTube people, I'm teacher Regy Safadão, and today we are talking about the diagonal length, surface area and volume of a cube. Are you ready? So come with me! Hi YouTube people, welcome back to our video class. This is our class number 3 of age. Let's see our opening. Okay, as we already know, our channel is Mathematics Without Frontiers, and here we have classes of physics, mathematics, and English in two versions, one in English and the other one in Portuguese, all right? Visit our video classes in Portuguese, they are really terrific. Okay, well, our today's subject is spatial geometry, talking about cube. Okay, we are going to solve some questions about it. Okay, let's see question number 1. Here it is. It is known that the surface area of a cube is 96 meters squared. Determine the edge, diagonal, and volume of this solid. Okay, so this is the cube. Let's see the edges behind it. Okay, so this is edge A, edge B, sorry, edge A as well is a cube, and edge A also. Okay, this is the diagonal, the straight line inside it, okay? Well, it was given that the surface area is 96 meters squared, so the surface area is 6 times A squared. This is the formula. The diagonal is A times the square root of 3. And the volume is A cubed. Just 1 second, let me move my window a little bit. Okay. Well, so let's find, because, see, the surface area was given. Okay, let me pick up here a laser pointer in order to point better to show you. All right, so the surface area 96 meters squared was given, so I know this value. This value is 96, so I can apply this value into that formula and find A. Okay, and what is A? A is the edge of the cube. All right, so let's see. Now let's rotate this part of our equation. Okay, you can see why I did this, because I want A on the left side of my equation. All right, so now this number 6 is multiplying, so it comes to the right side of the equation, dividing. So I have that A squared is 96 divided by 6, and doing the division, I have that A squared is 16, and now I can take the square root of 16. Well, A is 4 meters. Okay, so A is already done, the edge is already found. Now let's find the diagonal. Well, oh yes, don't forget that the square root of 3 is about 1.73. Now finding the diagonal, I have that 4, because A is 4. 4 times A point 1.73. Well, doing this multiplication, I have the diagonal is 6.92 meters. Okay, so the diagonal is also done. Let's see the volume. Well, the volume is A cubed, so A is 4, so 4 cubed. 4 times 4 times 4 is 64, so the volume is 64 meters cubed. Okay, question 1 is done. Let's go to question 2. Pay attention. Here it is. Find the value of the diagonal, surface area, and volume of a cube, which adds up for this meters in the International System of Units, SI. Okay, so here is a yellow cube. The edge is behind it. You can see there inside it. And the diagonal. Okay, so one edge is 4 decimeters. And of course, the other one is also 4. The last one is also 4 decimeters. Okay, so let's say a conversion, okay, from decimeter to meter, okay? Well, to do this, we have only to divide 4 decimeters by 10. So we have that 4 decimeters is about 0.4 meters. Well, so the diagonal is A times the square root of 3. The square root of 3 is about 1.73. The surface area is 6 times A squared, and the volume, once again, I'm going to move my window a little bit. All right, here it is. Well, so let's find the diagonal. Well, 0.4 times 1.73 is 0.69 meters. So this is the diagonal length. Let's find the surface area. 6 times 0.4 squared. Well, 6.4 times 6.4 is 0.16 times 6. So we have that the surface area of that cube is 0.96 meters squared. And the volume? The volume can be given by 0.4 cubed. 0.4 times 0.4 times 0.4. So it is 0.064 meters cubed. Question number 2 is done. Let's go to question number 3. So far, so good? Excellent. So let's see, question 3. It is known that the sum of all edges of a cube is 1,800 centimeters. Determine the diagonal surface area and volume of it in the SI. All right. Let's see those edges behind it. Can you see? In the diagonal. Okay. So one edge is A, the other one is A, and the last one is also A. It's a cube. Okay, the sum of all edges is 1,800 centimeters. So we need to convert from centimeters to meters, all right? Because we want to find the diagonal surface area and volume in the SI, okay? And the standard unit in SI is meter, okay? So Pachaco and Pachaco, you can cancel out those zeros. And so you have that 1,800 centimeters is the same as 18 meters. Okay, excellent. So the diagonal formula, surface area formula, and the volume formula. Okay, so let's plug the value into those formulas, all right? By the way, we have if the sum is 18 meters and a cube has 12 edges, so to find the value of one edge, only one edge, you can only divide 18 by 12. So one edge is 1.5 meters. All right. So now, by the way, the square root of 3 is about 1.73. We already know that. You need to memorize this. Don't forget. All right. So the diagonal is 1.5 times 1.73. So the diagonal is about 2.60 meters. And the surface area, 6 times 1.5 squared. Well, 1.5 times 1.5 is 2.25 times 6, so the surface area is 13.5 meters squared. And the volume? Volume is 1.5 cubed, 1.5 times 1.5 times 1.5. So it is 3.38 meters cubed. Okay, so we have finished the 3 questions we were supposed to do. Okay, we were asked to do. Now, our special thanks go to all of those people who watch our video classes until the end. It's very important for the development of our channel. Subscribe to our channel, ring our bell, share this video with all those people you think it is important at this moment they learn a little bit about this subject. And of course, give us your precious like. It is also very important for the increasement of our channel, and it also motivates us to be preparing, okay, and uploading new videos for you every week, okay? Thank you very much, my friends. Okay, thank you very much. See you. Have all of you an excellent week. Bye-bye.
That's all, folks.